Shirdi Sai Darbar, a non-profit organization, is one of the largest temples located in the heart of Silicon Valley Bay Area. This temple was started with Baba's portrait on February 24th, 2011 in Kaifer Road, Sunnyvale. In May of 2011, the main Sai Baba Murti and Dwarakamai Baba Murti arrived from Shirdi, India. The Prana Pratishtha of these idols were done on June 16, 2011. In 2013, this temple moved to their new rental location at 255 San Geronimo Way, Sunnyvale, with plenty of parking spaces. A formal Prana Pratishtha was conducted from June 19th to 21st, 2014. A large number of devotees started to flocking the temple within a few years. The temple has three halls: Shirdi Baba Hall, consisting of Shirdi Baba, Dwarakamai Baba, and Chavadi Baba idols. Guru Purnima and Mahasamadhi are the two main Baba festivals that are celebrated in a grand manner. The Bay Area Hindu Temple Hall, consisting of the biggest 108 Shiva Jyotirlinga idol, Tirupati Balaji idol, and many other deities representing various parts of India. All major festivals are celebrated accordingly. A very unique feature of this temple is that the devotees get an opportunity to participate in the daily routines of the temple, such as doing abhishekam and offering of robes and garlands to Baba Murtis. This is the only temple in Bay Area where the devotees can touch Baba idols, which makes this temple most special to every devotee. Every Thursday, bhajans and Rudram chantings are done along with all-day Annadhanam, including weekends as well. During the main yearly festival days, the temple conducts musical events for children. This encourages young children to get an opportunity to participate and learn more about the Hindu culture. The temple also gives back to the community in many ways, such as sandwich seva, the breakfast seva, the second harvest food drive, and the blanket seva during winter are a few to mention. All the activities and operations in the temple are done by a group of 250 or more volunteers in a well-organized manner, which is much appreciated by all the devotees visiting the temple. Baba's Udi is considered the most sacred blessings of all. On September 5th, 2020, Madhyan Arati Seva volunteers were able to witness this miracle. Yes, Udi manifested from Baba's feet after the noon Arati. That day, Baba proved to all of us that he lives in our temple and will take care of his devotees always. Finally, by Baba's grace, in May of 2020, this site was purchased as a permanent place for Baba with generous donations from numerous devotees. The new temple will have Dhuni room similar to Shirdi, and Udi will be offered as prasad. Currently, the management is requesting donations for the construction of the temple. If you would like to help to build a beautiful temple for Shirdi Sai Baba in the middle of Silicon Valley and serve him, kindly donate generously. As you all know, Baba says that he will give back 100 times more of what you donate to Baba. For donation details, please visit temple website shirdisaidarbar.org. Everything to Sai, peace be to all. Om Sairam.